Hey guys, new girls. It's Southcenter Mall, by the way. And I'm recording vertically because I'm carrying this teriyaki. About 2 chicken teriyaki with mixed vegetables and steamed rice. And yeah. Gonna head on out. Somi teriyaki place not open yet. I think until spring. Can't wait to check that out, guys. I love teriyaki. Really good, man. And yep, gonna bring the teriyaki to my dad and my uncle. Well, for this video, like, I'm sorry I'm a little short because my mom was calling me, so I have to cut that off. Yeah, the store. I go in there. I'll probably go another time. I like the store, dude. It's pretty cool. I did bought some Dragon Ball Naruto posters and other ones as well. I did hang some of them in my room, but I did take them off because we were doing flooring that time. I think about putting one of them in my room one day, but not now. Hey, yup. Southcenter Mall. My car's just over there. My first is there, by the way, guys. No way I can record and carry that at the same time. So, yep, the car's over there. Well, hopefully you guys can see me playing over, so should be okay. Holy. Alright. My car. (2019), by the way. So about like 3 years old now. Yep, be fresh. They put it in the cup holder. Now I'm gonna head on out, guys. Woo! Gonna be spending time with my dad and my little brother. I think they're going somewhere, so I'm gonna spend time with them as well, guys. Yeah, Bluetooth. Well, yep, it's been fun, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Super Bowl's gonna be lit today. Bengals versus Rams, so see you guys and peace out.